Yeah, so there's still a lot of research going on about ctDNA, and one of our reasons we did this study is because we're actually in our lab doing a lot of research about ctDNA and also this type of patients. But when we started out these projects, we really didn't have what we thought very good literature that looked at all types of aberrations you can look at in the circulating tumor DNA. So that's why we started our search in literature, and then we found out, well, if we got this far, we might do it really in a professional way and write it down so we can help the community and other researchers to do so. And right now there are already certain types of prospective clinical trials ongoing that actually look at ctDNA as a way to stratify your patients, so which patients should undergo additional therapy or not. And so the first results are coming in that regard. But I think the next couple of years will really show what the power of ctDNA is in this field. But yeah, I'm still hopeful, and I think for example, copy number variations in blood, it's still very small in terms of research output. But if we wait a few years and we have some more results, I think it will be really interesting, because in theory, it's really, it has a lot of advantages, because you need less blood and less DNA in your blood, and it's way more sensitive technically than, for example, methylation, which only looks, or mutation looks at a very small part of the DNA.